In this video, I will show you how to send a Word document through WhatsApp on your laptop or PC. First, open your web browser or the WhatsApp app. If you don't have the app installed, go to web.whatsapp.com in your favorite browser. Once there, log into your WhatsApp account by scanning the QR code with your phone. Now, to send a Word document, click on the attach icon, a paperclip in the chat window. From the options, select document, then browse your computer to find the Word document you want to send. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop the file directly into the chat window where it says drag file here. Once you've added the document, click send. Your document will be sent successfully. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.